Hello everyone. In last class, we have learned about the definition of the angles and different types of angles, that is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle, straight angle, complete angle. And in today's class, we will be learning about triangles and the different types of other two types of angles. Okay, here before going into the types of triangles, first we shall learn about the definition of the triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is a closed figure which is formed with three lines with three vertices. Okay, here usually we call this as a triangle. It's a closed figure. Okay, here we have three lines, three angles, and these are vertices. We have three vertices. Wherever the edges of the lines are meeting, these are called as the vertices. And here, wherever it is where the two points are meeting, we get the space that is called as an angle. Okay, here this is a triangle ABC, where AB, BC and CA are called as its sides. Okay, A, B, C, like these are called as the vertices, and these one like angle A, angle B and angle C are the angles of the given triangle. Okay, here we have the definition, that is triangle. A triangle is a polygon with three edges and three vertices. So here polygon. A polygon is a closed figure which is formed with the line segments. Either it can be a triangle, square, rectangle, whatever. If it is a closed figure, then that is called as a polygon. Here it is a polygon because it's a closed figure. Okay, here next there are three types of triangles based on the length of the sides. Okay, here based on the sides A, B, BC and CA, based on the sides we have three types of triangles. What are they? They are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangles. Okay, here the first name indicates equilateral. Equilateral means what? Equal. Okay, if all the three sides are equal, then that triangle is called as an equilateral triangle. Not only sides, the angles of a triangle will of an equilateral triangle will also be equal. For example, okay, A, B, C. If the length from A to B is 3 centimeters and B to C is 3 centimeters and C to A is also 3 centimeters, then this kind of triangle is said to be an equilateral triangles. And the angles of an equilateral triangle consists of 60 degrees. Okay, one more point should be added, that is a triangle, the sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here 60 degrees. 60, 60, 60. 60, 60, 120. 120 plus 60 is 180. Therefore, the sum of each angle of a equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Okay. So here in an equilateral triangle, all the three sides will be equal. Next, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a kind of triangle where any two sides of the triangle will be same and the third will be different. Okay. Here A, B and C. Here these two sides are same and the third side is different. That means here let this be 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters and this is 3 centimeters. That means here two sides. Okay, AB is equals to AC and that is not equal to BC. Here these two sides are equal and the third side is different. If in a triangle any two sides are equal from the third side, then that kind of triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle. A triangle in which two sides have the same length, then that triangle is said to be an isosceles triangle. Next, scalene triangle. Okay, now in first type of triangle we have all the three sides equal, and in second type of triangle we have any two sides equal, and coming to the third type of triangle, that is scalene triangle, all the three sides will be unequal. That means Okay, this is 3 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, and this is 6 centimeters. Okay, A, B, C. If AB is not equals to BC, is not equals to CA, then these kind of triangles, this type of triangle is said to be a scalene triangle, where the 3 sides are not equal. Here one is 3, one is 4, and one is 6. Okay, these are the 3 types of different triangles. First one is equilateral triangle, where 3 sides are equal. Second one is isosceles triangle, where 2 sides are equal. And third one is the scalene triangle, where no sides are equal. That means 3 sides are unequal. Okay, we have one more triangle, that is right angled triangle. We usually come across this in our future classes. Okay, we have already said like right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. We have already learned in our previous class. That means okay, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, in a right angle triangle, this indicates 90 degrees. Okay, and here the sum of the squares of the any 2 sides is equals to the sum of the is equal to the square of the another side. Okay, here these 2 sides square, sum of the square of these 2 sides is equals to the square of this side. Okay, this is right angle triangle. We shall learn about this in detail in the next class. Thank you.